Let's say you're a homeowner remodeling your kitchen. You hop on Google and search best kitchen layout for small spaces. The top result is from HGTV. It's polished, generic, kind of helpful, but the next one is from a remodeler 15 minutes away. It shows a real project in your city. It talks about permit timelines, local cabinet suppliers, even climate-specific materials. Which one do you trust more? That's the shift, and in 2026, it's only going to accelerate. Hey, I'm Spencer Powell, I'm the CEO at BuilderFunnel, and if you want to win the next wave of organic visibility, this video is your roadmap. Because the age of national generic content is fading quickly, and the future belongs to the hyper-local, super helpful remodeler. Today, we're making the case for doubling down on local content in 2026. So let's get into it. Why is local content the future? Search is changing. AI is accelerating. But what people want hasn't changed. They want relevance. They want proximity. They want specifics. And that's where local content dominates. Google and AI search tools are prioritizing local-based authority, contextual relevance, and real-world examples. That means content about kitchen layouts is fine, but content about kitchen layouts that work in Portland's narrow homes, that's gold. There are three macro trends driving the shift. One, AI summarization. Generic blogs get scraped, summarized, and regurgitated by AI. They're no longer a traffic magnet. They're just training data. But unique local insights, AI tools cite these, and users are clicking them. Number two, zero-click search. Google's featured snippets and Search Generative Experience, or SGE, are giving answers up front. If your content doesn't offer something extra, like photos, context, local information, it won't earn the click. And number three, buyer trust behavior. Homeowners are increasingly skeptical of big box answers. They want to see real homes in their neighborhood, remodelers who understand their city, and nuance that AI can't fake. Okay, so what does local content look like in 2026? Let's get super tactical. Here's what high-performing local content will include. City-specific service pages with examples and testimonials from that area. Local project case studies that break down cost, scope, and timeline. Neighborhood guides that tie remodeling to lifestyle, so schools, commute, resale value, and then localized guides with real project ranges from your region. FAQ pages by region addressing zoning, permitting, or seasonal considerations. And here's what we want to avoid. Blog posts that could apply to any remodeler in any state. Vague service pages with no local references. Stock photos or generic examples. Here's why you should start now and not in 2026. Content takes time to mature. Google rewards consistency and depth. And if you start building your local content library now, you'll rank before competitors wake up. You'll be able to build domain authority before it's trendy. And you'll give AI tools something worth citing. And remember, the bar is really low. Most remodelers still aren't doing this. So, here's your year-end local content plan. You want to audit your current site. So, how many pages include city or regional references? How many project spotlight pages are tagged by location? Then we want to create a local content hit list. So, choose your top 3 service areas and outline the content for each. You want a service page, cost guide, and a project spotlight. Then you want to assign local calls to action on each page. So a local cost guide and then a consultation form with zip code targeting. Next, we want to leverage your Google business profile. So you want to post local blogs as updates, link to local pages, and then use geotagged images. Next, we're going to integrate with sales and use local pages during sales calls. Here's a kitchen we did 10 minutes from your place, or the timeline reflects your city's permitting process. 2026 is going to be the year of local authority, and the best time to build that authority is right now. And if you do this well, AI will reference you, Google will reward you, and homeowners will trust you. And that means more clicks, more leads, and more confidence from every visitor you get. Local isn't niche, it's the new standard, and the remodelers who act now will dominate tomorrow's search. See you next time here on Builder Funnel TV.